We've all been there before. You buy high quality microfiber towels, but after a few heavy detailing sessions, they've stopped working. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Today, I'm going to be talking about auto detailing towels that go through heavy use cycles. They feel stiff, they're stained with polish, and worst of all, they become hydrophobic, meaning that instead of soaking up all the water, they just push it all around. Most people think that once a towel is clogged, it becomes trash. But today, I'm going to be showing you the ultimate wash and restore process that unclogs the fibers and brings your towels back to life. Let's get into it. The first rule of microfiber care is never mix your towels. You need to separate them by their level of dirtiness. For example, pile 1 is lightly used interior or glass towels. Pile 2, your paint towels clogged with waxes and sealants. Pile 3, the really dirty towels from the engine bays, wheels, and exhaust pipes. If you have towels with caked on grease or polish, don't just throw them in the washer. Pre-treat them by spraying a dedicated microfiber restorer or diluted all-purpose cleaner directly on the stains. Give them a quick scrub against themselves to break up the wax before the main wash. If your towels are truly clogged, then a standard wash cycle won't be enough. You need to strip them. I'm using a bucket with about 2 to 3 ounces of dedicated microfiber detergent that is designed to emulsify the oils and polymers that regular soap leaves behind. Let these soak for at least 30 minutes or overnight if they're really bad. This unclogs the billions of tiny hooks in the microfiber that trap dirt. Now onto the machine. Here are 3 non-negotiables. First up, detergent. Use a free and clear liquid detergent, no dyes or scents, or a dedicated microfiber wash. Never use powdered detergent. The granules can get stuck in the fibers and scratch your paint. Number 2, temperature. Use warm water. Hot water can actually melt the polyester fibers, making the towel scratchy. Warm water is just right to melt waxes without damaging the fabric. And number 3, the secret weapon. Add half a cup of distilled white vinegar to the fabric softener dispenser. Vinegar helps neutralize any remaining soap and strips away the final layer of waxes. Also, remember, crucial warning, never ever use fabric softener or dryer sheets. They coat the fibers in silicone, which is exactly how towels become hydrophobic in the first place. When they come out of the wash, be sure to give each towel a good ruffle to fluff up the fibers. For drying, low heat or air fluff is the only way to go. High heat is the #1 killer of microfiber. If you cook these towels, they become sandpaper. Dry them until they're about 90% done. Then let them air dry the rest of the way to avoid static buildup that attracts dust. Check this out. The same towel that was beating water earlier is now drinking it all up. It's soft, clean, and most importantly, it's safe for your paint again. By following this wash and restore routine, you can extend the life of your towels by years. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in our detailing towels, be sure to check out the description below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell. Be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next, and don't forget to follow us on our social media. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.